Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 1 assignment of the course Python for Data Science. Guys, for the past 6+ years, we are providing solutions for various NPTEL courses, including Python for Data Science. So here we are going to provide you the most probable solutions for the course for each and every week assignment. So you can see our YouTube channel, S Kumar Edu, S Kumar Edu, with 13,000, almost 14,000 subscribers, and more than 1100 videos we have prepared. So you can see NPTEL videos. So guys, with that experience, we are providing the solutions for this year as well. So let's see the solutions. So please watch the video till the end, guys. Don't skip the video. So first question: what is the output of the following code? So for first question, second option 1212 is the probable solution, guys. So mark second option. Next, second question, what is the output of the following code? So for second question, second option. Next, third question. So what is the data type of so guys, initially x is 15, that means x is an integer, so it gone through the float data type. So now the 15, that means the x became a float value, and that float value is converted as string. So we have to go this way from right to left. So initially it is an integer, next it became float, and next it became string. So finally it is a string value. So for third question, third option, str is the probable solution. Next, fourth question. So invalid variable names in Python. So you can see the space, one space variables, no spaces are encouraged. So one space variable, it's an invalid syntax. And next, variable space one. So it is also not correct. And you can see the last one, variable hashtag. So except underscore we can't allow any other special character. So variable 1, there is no spacing, so it is allowed. So only the first, second and fourth options are invalid syntaxes, the invalid variable names in Python. Next, 15th question. So while naming the variable, use of any special character other than underscore will throw which type of error? So for fifth question, first option, syntax error is the probable solution. Next, sixth one, let x be a variable string value called Mayur. So what are the following commands converts the x variable to float data type? So for sixth question, third option, float of x is the probable solution. Next, seventh one. So with more than 6+ years of NPTEL experience, we are providing these solutions, guys. So please watch the video till then. Subscribe our channel, like this video, and please share this news with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp groups. So before moving into the seventh question, I want to make a small announcement. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. Exam preparation MCQs. So for the course Python for Data Science, with 6 years of NPTEL experience, we have collected those from past assignment, guys. Here you are going to get a huge number of 295 plus MCQs. 295 plus MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So 295 plus MCQs for one person, just 300 rupees only. For 2 to 5 persons, if you take it in a group, so this is student special. So for 2 to 5 persons, combinedly 500 rupees only. So each one will get 295 plus MCQs, but combined price is just 500. So if you have any classmate or your friends doing the same course along with you, so team up with them and mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So this is our mail id. Mail me to this email id if you are confirmed to make the purchase, and you can make payment of 500 so that you can get 295 plus MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So such option is available, guys, and easy to revise MCQs as well. The validity will be till the exam results publishing day, and high syllabus will be covered within less time, and they including the data set based questions as well. So for one person it is 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So bk179417@gmail.com. So this is our mail ID. Already many students and even professors have also taken our tax case. So these are past assignment MCQs. So now let's get back to the solution. So please let your friends and classmates know about this pack. Seventh question. Which Python library is commonly used for data wrangling and manipulation? So for seventh question, second option, pandas. Pandas, right? Next, eighth one. Predict the output of the following code. So for eighth question, we got 12 as the probable solution, guys. So here you can see it's a modulus symbol. Here you can see that. So it's a modulus symbol. So there won't be any float values, right? So you don't get any float values. You can directly get the integer value only. So 12. Next, ninth question. For ninth question also it is second option, float comma float. Second option. And moving on to the final question, that is 10th one. Fourth option is the probable solution. So friends, these are the most probable solutions for week 1 assignment of the course Python for Data Science. Hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, definitely subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, and please share this news with your friends and classmates, and do let them know about this pack, right? So guys, don't forget to purchase the huge number of 295 plus MCQs pack. You will get that in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. So for one person 300, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So please let them know about your pack, guys, so that you can combinedly form a group of 2 to 5 persons, and one person from the group mail me to this email ID, bk179417@gmail.com. Even if you're one person, no need to worry, you can get it for 300 rupees only. So that's it, guys. So please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share this video with your friends and classmates, and do let them know about our pack. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this for further more videos. Until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.